Hello guys. Today I'll be presenting a networking configuration created in Cisco Packet Tracer. This network will demonstrate a simple setup using static routing between two local area, the networks, the LANs. Network overview. Let's start with the overall layout of the network. We have two LANs connected through Cisco 2901 routers and switches. Each LAN has 29, 60, 2040 to connect multiple PCs. There are three PC in each LAN labeled PC0, PC PC1, PC2, PC3, and PC5 for LAN 2. IP address IP addressing. In LAN 1, the IP range is 192.168.1.0, while in LAN 2, the IP range 192.168.3.0. And then each PC has unique IP address between these ranges. For example, PC0 has 192.168.1 in LAN 1, and PC3 has 192.168.3.1 in LAN 2. The router have IP addresses assigned on both their interfaces to facilitate communication between the network. Router configuration. Router 0 on the left connects to LAN 1 with an IP address of 192.168.1.4, and its connection to router 1 is set to 192.168.2.1. Router 1 on the right connects to LAN 2 with an IP address of 192.168.3.4, and its connection to router 0 is set to 192.168.2.2. This IP configuration enables two routers to communicate with each other over the 192.168.2.0 network. To enable communication between the two LANs, I use strategic routing. On router 0, we need ra- route to LAN 2, 192.168.0.3.0 via the interface connected to router 1 using the IP address 192.168.2.2. Similarity on router 1, we route to LAN 1, 192.168.1.0 via a interface connected to router 0 using the IP address 192.168.2.1. This static routing ensure that packets can travel between the two LANs. And finally, I tested the setup using ICMP pins between PCs in different LANs. As shown in simulation, we can see the successful pings between PCs across LAN 1, LAN 2. This confirms that my static routing configuration is correct and that devices is each LAN can communicate with each other. This network demonstrates how to connect two LANs using static routing with Cisco routers switches. This type of setup can be useful for small networks that require specific direct paths for data travel between segments. Thank you for listening, and I'm happy to answer the question you may have. Thank you.